So this sink has a really cute copper knob situation here. Well, Jeff just put his hand over the one, but this one says cold, froid. The other one says chaud for hot. I think they're really cute. I'm going to try to repurpose them into something before we jete this ugly, gross, weird sink. Jeff's almost done, almost has it out, and here we go. Oh, lots of spinning of...
Yeah, it's too bad whoever the vandals were that tore the spout off this thing. It's a real shame.
Yeah, there was a little bit of vandalism happening before we got here, and for whatever reason, they just cut the sink spouts off of stuff. Anyway, the knobs are still useful, I suppose. Et voilà.